In this video I'm going to show you how to use this target tracker planner in Goodnotes. Watch our previous video to see how to create this planner. Keep watching to see more. When you have created your planner, insert your key objectives into your planner. There will be lots of smaller objectives, but if you include them all, this planner will become unmanageable. Go through each target and keep a record of the pupils who are working towards, nearly achieving or exceeding a particular objective. This is so that you can help them to catch up or achieve the objective via interventions or direct teaching. When you have updated your planner and calculated the percentages, you can look at your data and information and start asking these questions. Are there any students with multiple barriers to their learning? And if the answer is yes, what do you have in place to support them? Is there any impact of this support, or when do you expect to see any impact? How many interventions are your students in? Are they in too many interventions? You must also ask, does the weekly planning support the objectives that the students need to achieve? Are there opportunities for them to achieve their targets? The planner is perfect to use during planning meetings, mainly because you can join in with the discussion and write down ideas and thoughts, along with adding information and resource ideas from the internet to support teaching and learning. It's perfect to use during performance review meetings and pupil progress meetings, as you can talk about each individual student in detail, and you can keep all your notes, targets, and next steps in one place. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.